A large variety of marine invertebrates and fishes live at great depth. How they are all capable of living at great depths? Remember, as you grow to great depths, the pressure is increasing. How they are all capable of? Presence of excess amino acids in the tissue, presence of special enzyme, trimethylamine oxidase enzyme that will convert the ammonia to trimethylamine oxide. What is the advantage of trimethylamine oxide? The trimethylamine oxide will resist the great pressure. So, nitrogen-based materials are converted into TMAO. That is a characteristic feature of teleost fishes, bony fishes living in great depths. Okay, make protein stable. Presence of specialized body fluid which can withstand high pressure. They will make their internal pressure higher than that of the surrounding pressure. So the surrounding pressure will not be having any influence because their internal pressure is so high, making their pressure slightly higher than that of the surrounding pressure. So all are adaptations for living in great depths to withstand high pressure in that great depth, whereas the apple is an exception. So all except apple are adaptation for living in such great depths.